new little fireplace. We don't have a fireplace here, as you can see. So we ended up getting ourselves an electrical fireplace. It's just connects in the back. It comes in right there. You see the connection. Connects here in the wall. And you see here it has a little outing, a little handle, so you can hold it from here, pick it up. And then let me go ahead. It comes with the remote control, but you can also have the settings here. There's a timer. That's a temperature one, and this is for the flames and the on button. So let me show you. So I'm gonna go ahead. That's the flame. So that's the button on, and you see here it has right here you can put stuff. It doesn't get hot here, and it will not get hot up here. All you get heat from is right here. The glass doesn't get hot either. Put it in my hand, nothing. Only here you can feel the heat in that little place. So I have it right now, temperature 75. I could go down. Sorry, that's going up, down, and then let's see the flames how I want them. That's level 3. There's a level 2, and there's a level 1. Depends how romantic you want to get with these flames, how much light you want from them. And then I could put a timer for 30 minutes on, for an hour, 2 hours, and it goes up to 3 hours. 4, it keeps going. 6 hours will be the most. And it's very cute and ideal for a nice area. Like we have it here in our living room. We do have central heating, but we are in a little townhouse. The heat goes up, but this one is perfect for right here when we're watching TV. We sit down and really relax.